Hi, I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker here in Atlanta, Georgia, and we're actually in Fulton County in the city of Atlanta visiting a new construction community built by Pulte Homes. And this is a townhome community called the Altus at the Quarters. So we're going to have a look at this beauty behind me. Let's go.
Welcome to Altus at the Quarter, a townhome community built by Pulte Homes. Enjoy the tour.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely townhome here in Atlanta, Georgia. We're in the city of Atlanta, Georgia, and this is a Pulte Homes community. This particular floor plan has about 2,300 to 2,500 square feet, depending on which unit you actually choose. You know, when you're talking about new construction, you don't want to go at it alone. You want to have representation to represent you. The builder has their sales agents representing their interests, and you want to have someone that represents yours. So consider me your resource. You know, also, I love to tour homes with you, so you can sit in the comforts of your own home and tour homes with me. So when you're thinking about new construction, thinking about relocating to Georgia, consider me your resource. I'm here to help you and leverage my industry relationships to benefit you to have the best terms for your contract transaction. All right. Now, be sure to contact me. My information is right here. Contact me whenever you need some assistance. You can email me, call, text, or you can find me on Instagram. I'd love to help you and assist you with achieving your goals in home ownership. And you can catch my next videos. Please do subscribe, like, and share this channel. I really appreciate it. And you all take care. We'll see you on the next video.